Hi, this is a short demonstration about how to engage Mjog support services. There are a number of ways to do this. You can telephone us, you can email us, you can use an automated chat system, and you can also use our support ticketing portal. First of all, I shall demonstrate how we can engage the support team using the support portal that we provide. You can access the support portal by clicking on the Help link on your Mjog client homepage. When you click on this link, you'll be taken to another web page, which is a landing page for the support portal. If for some reason you can't access the Mjog client homepage, you can simply type support.mjog.com into a web browser and you'll be taken straight there. When you first arrive on this page, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Enter your email address and click the Login button. If you're a new user to this site, you'll be asked to enter a few details about yourself. Enter the details as requested in the form. All of the fields are mandatory. One thing to know is that when you start to type your practice name into the last field, it will come up with a number of suggestions in the list. Select the right practice that you work for. When you've done that, click on the Create My Account button. You should now receive an email from App Chemist Support. Check your inbox and you'll see that you have a verification email with a link in it. Click on that link to verify your account. When you click on that verification link, you'll be taken straight into the Mjog support ticketing portal. To confirm your account, click on your name in the top right hand corner of the screen and log back out again. Then log back in with the email that you originally registered. And this will take you back into the ticketing portal. Check the top right hand corner of the screen again and make sure that you have been associated with the correct practice. If not, please call Mjog Support on 01353 780 180 and a member of our support team will help you out with that situation. If you're satisfied that your account details are correct and you wish to raise a support ticket with us, then you can do so by clicking on the New Ticket button towards the top left hand corner of the display. If you click on this, you get the following dialog box. This is where you can enter details of the problems that you're experiencing with your Mjog software. In the first field, enter a brief summary of the problem that you're experiencing. In the second field, which is a drop-down menu, select the ticket category. You may then be presented with another field, which is a secondary category field and also a drop-down menu. If you need to enter a secondary category, select the option from the drop-down menu here. In the last field, you can enter a detailed description of the problems that you're experiencing. Once you've entered a detailed description, you can choose a file to attach if you need to. A file might contain a screenshot of an error that you've seen displayed, or it might contain some logs. Click on the Choose File button and select the file that you'd like to attach. Once you've done that, scroll to the bottom of the dialog box and click Create Ticket. You'll get a pop-up saying, "Are you sure you wish to send this?" Click OK to confirm. If you've attached a file, you'll get a second pop-up, which is asking you to confirm that the file that you've attached does not contain any patient identifiable data. Click on OK if you're satisfied that that's the case. Once you've clicked OK, your ticket will be created and you'll see it in your list. Should you need to update a ticket in your list, simply click on the link for that ticket. After a short while, you'll be brought to the ticket details screen. Here you can add additional comments. Once you've added additional comments, click on the Update Ticket button. Click on OK to confirm. And after a short period of time, those comments will be updated in the ticket. Once you're done making additional comments, you can click on the blue Back to List button. And that will take you back to your ticket list. If you click on Practice Tickets, you can see a list of all other tickets created by colleagues at your practice. You can filter on this list. You can see all ticket statuses, or you can simply see tickets that are open. Or if you wish, you can just view solved tickets. Once you're finished in the portal, simply click on your name and then click Log Out.